And we're off. Got the car all packed up. Hitting a ride to the airport. It's Thursday, March 17th, 2022. And we're going to Europe. Going to London, England. So, yeah. Well, I'll see you at the airport. Well, at Winnipeg Airport, just waiting for Mom to park the car and help bring the stuff in. We got the airport terminal, and there's all the stuff. A mountain of stuff. Got the bike, the boxes for the bike bags, my pillow, and the trailer, and my carry-on. I'm gonna go down there. Gonna be flying on the WestJet. Okay, well, be back soon. And they get inside, get checked in, and all of that jazz. So, yeah.
Have a good flight.
My friend in Ireland will love your coffee.
Oh, happy St. Patrick's Day.
Thank you.
We're off to Toronto. You've already introduced yourself to us. We're going to introduce ourselves to you. You've already heard from our captain. That's Captain Dale. Flight design is First Officer Stephen. At row 4, we have Dana. At front is Ursula. With myself, Vegan, on the night. We'd like to sincerely welcome you on board. Now, we know we enjoy watching this just as much as we enjoy doing this, so please let's get through it together. Your safety is important to us. We ask for your attention as we review the following safety information. There is a safety excuse for yourself or other guests. Thank you for using WestJet as part of your journey today. Please let any crew member know if you have any questions or safety concerns. Also, for the safety of everyone on board, the crew members complete a demonstration of where to take them. Should the oxygen mask drop from the panel above you, you must first remove your face mask, don the oxygen mask, and follow the instructions. Thank you for your attention. At this time, we invite you to sit back and relax. Enjoy your 2-hour and 4-minute flight to Toronto. Veuillez nous accorder votre attention alors que nous présentons les mesures de sécurité suivantes. Vous devant vous une carte des mesures de sécurité concernant cet avion. Veuillez en suivre avec nous les points importants. La cabine est munie de voyants concernant
Time to board the 787.
I walked around the world today, looking for the real thing. Somewhere we crossed the wrong wires. I dare you to fix this heartbreak.
First day's rest stop. Let's just take it easy. Oh, I guess this thing won't film me, but whatever. I got the bikey bike sitting down here. Hopefully you can see that. And it's probably like 1, 2 p.m. Beautiful day. T-shirt and shorts. Yeah. And just stopped at the gate to Farmers Fields outside town. Just everything I could have asked for a Wednesday afternoon. Amazing place. If you have to pay $20 Canadian a day to stay here, this would be amazing.